Where to find the best sites. Homemade beauty products. Hello. You want more information about how to fix a zipper tie? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to fix a zipper tie is www.itstactical.com. Specifically the page titled How to Escape from Zip Ties, It's Tactical. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site fashion.wonderhowto.com, especially the page How to Repair a Broken Zipper Slide Fashion. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see fashion.wonderhowto.com. The web page How to Fix a Stuck Zipper Fashion, Wonder How To. This is the link.